Hey guys, this is Andy from Gizchina, and we've just received the UMi X2. This is one of the phones that we've all been waiting for. Let's have a look. The case is like a box. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, 1080 display, 13 megapixel camera. Let's take a look at the phone. There it is, the X2. This is the phone that people have been waiting months for. This and the G4. Let's take this cover off. If I can. There we go. There it is. Let's have a look at it compared to the G4. There's the G4, UMi X2. So let's have a look around the phone. We've got a 13 megapixel camera, LED flash, external speaker, capacitive buttons. The bezel is thicker than the one on the G4. See? Let's take a look in the back. Take the battery out. It's a 2500 mAh battery. We've got room for an SD card and 2 SIMs. It's just arrived, so I don't know if we have any power in here. Let's have a look. Yep, just enough power to boot it up. Okay, it's just running. We haven't got much power, so let's have a quick look around. So here it is. This is it. The UMi X2. Android 4.2.1. Alright, awesome. We're going to play around with this today along with the G4, and we'll do some benchmarks and a full review later this week. Alright, keep posted. See you soon.